So our doe Bahati gave birth on the 4th of June 2019, and these are the kid. Gave birth to twins, a buckling and a darling. So we now have new boer goat kids at Shambani farm. This is the goat that stays at home, that I decided to keep at home to protect the genetic pool. In case anything happens at the farm, then this one here, it will be safe, and I'll be assured of having still the boer genetics. This is the doe Bahati, and this is the buckling, and this one here is the darling. They're doing pretty okay. They're very sound, so I'm really happy to see that they're very well. I'm looking forward to see how fast they grow, the kids. And for Bahati, I'm looking forward to rebreeding her in around August, so that by early next year, around February, she kids again, new kids. So really excited and looking forward to to the growth rate of these kids, and see what really happens. This here is BMB. This is the buck that bred Bahati. He's a naughty one. Look at him. He wants it to come closer to me. He's a really good buck. He's still very young. He's now 1 year and a half, so 1 year and 6 months. But he's already, having a good weight. So really excited, really looking forward to growing this breed, multiplying it in as much as possible, in a short time as possible, so that I can then create crossbreeds with my local small East African goats. So really excited.